Arts integration is an approach to teaching in which students construct and demonstrate understanding through an art form. Students engage in a creative process which connects an art form and another subject area and meets evolving objectives in both.
By this handout art integrated of the chapter circle, we can learn this vocabulary in a creative form by this foldable.
Experiential learning. It is a process of learning through experience and is more specifically defined as learning through reflection on doing. Let us all dive into the activities done by A.G.D. Evans in mathematics. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and here we are, complete angle, that is 360 degrees.
Here, on the tiles, linear pair is made, which means the pair of angles make a straight line or 180 degree. This also forms a supplementary angle, which means the sum of the two angles is 180 degree. In this wall clock, complementary angles are shown. Two pair of angles which form 90 degree after adding are called complementary angles. Lines of this ruled page forms parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines who have the same distance between them and do not intersect each other. We can see various objects like this in our daily life. For example,
firstly, let us try to find the example of a circle. The ideal example of a circle that we see in our home is a plate. Radius of a circle. The pink line here is representing the radius of a circle. I have made it using a circular lid and a crayon piece. Diameter of a circle. The red line here is representing the diameter of the circle. It is made in the similar manner in which we made the radius of the circle using a crayon and a circular lid. Semicircles. The best example of semicircles seen in our home are a protractor and a ladle. Quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle is 1/4 of the circle. We can easily make it using a marker and a circular lid. Tangent to a circle. Tangent is a line that intersects the circles at only one point. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent. We can easily make a tangent at home by using combination of figures. We can take any circular shape and a pen and keep it in such a manner that we get a tangent which touches the circle at only one point. Secant to a circle. We can use a pencil and keep it on a plate to get a secant to the circle. Chord of a circle. We can use a pencil or a scale and keep it on the circle in such a way that it touches the circumference of the circle so that we get a chord to the circle. Sectors of a circle. We can find examples of sectors in the tires of a cycle. Here we can clearly see that the tires of a cycle make sectors. We can also see sectors in the hands of a clock.
You must have seen many hexagons before. You may have learnt the complementary angles for the trigonometric ratios before, but not in this way. This is a hexagon, but not the regular one which you have seen many a times. Here, sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta, and tangent 90 degree minus theta is cotangent theta. Secant 90 degree minus theta is cosecant theta.
Now we will reverse it and we will find that cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta and cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Also, cosec 90 minus theta equals to sec theta.
Bharat campaign has been launched to promote cultural unity among various states of the country. The objective of this campaign is to promote the spirit of national integration through various cultural activities.
Here is the map of Sikkim. Sikkim is the 22nd state of India.
It's drawn on a graph paper. The outer rectangle PQR is finding the area of the red path. We have to first find the area of the outer rectangle, then the inner rectangle, and then we will subtract both of them. So the area of PQRS will be L into B, where L is 10 units and B is 8 units. So PQRS area will be 10 into 8, which is 80 units. Area of ABCD, here L is 8 units and B is 6 units. So its area will be 8 into 6, which is 48 units. Now to find area of the path, we'll subtract the area of PQRS with the area ABCD, which will give us 80 minus 48, which is 32 units. Hence the area of the path is 32 units.
This month-long festival is organized by the government of Sikkim that not only promotes tourism but also highlights the diversity of nature of the place apart from displaying a wide range of flowers. One can even gain knowledge about various species of trees and plants too, which is organized with this festival that makes it all the more interesting and worth visiting. Seminars that are also a part of this festival. This festival is organized from 1st May to 31st May in Gangtok.
Umbrella.
The Sikkimese cap.
Calculation done for the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella are as follows. Here the radius of umbrella taken is 15 cm, hence the diameter becomes 30 cm. Now we can find out the area of umbrella, which comes out to be 707.15 cm square. So we have got the answer, which is 35.35
The
centimeters.
model of cap born in Sikkim during the Pag Laptol festival. It is a combination of a frustum of a cone and a circular path at its bottom.
Now let us discuss about the data of male and female population of Sikkim. The actual population of Sikkim in 2001 was 5,40,851 and in 2011 was 6,10,577.
Here you can see the double bar graph to compare the population of Sikkim.
Interdisciplinary study involves the combination of two or more academic disciplines into one activity. It is about creating something by thinking across boundaries. Let's look at some of the activities done by blooming buds of our school.
Wonderful maths. So let's get started. Wonderful maths. In maths, we learn operations. One of them is multiplication.
The others are addition, subtraction, and division. It's not easy, we have to do a lot of revision.
My teacher was teaching me factors, and my brain got divided into different sectors.
Once I was reading fables,
but my mother called me for doing tables.
One of the difficult part of math is algebra, and my friends have dreamed to listen Cobra.
Maths is the subject I like the most. If I get all the sums right, I get to eat cheese toast. Thank you.
Poem by me. So let's see. Mathematical terms and theorems too teach us values and life skills too. Being organized and systematic teaches us the statistics to handle the data through graphs and telemark strip. Members of a family polygon have quadrilaterals and triangle. By being together and being united, any problem we can handle. More hard work you do, the more productive result you will get. This is the rule of direct variation. You will achieve success, I bet. Decrease negative thoughts and positivity will increase. This is inverse variations, cold bright breeze. From decimals to board mass and from fractions to algebra, maths is everywhere, even in the stripes of a zebra. The arms of a clock teach us punctuality. This is one of the best quality. Balance should be our every task. Balance should be our every task. We learn this from equations and maybe also the questions you ask. Positive and negative are the two sides of a coin. We learn from integers how a line can make them join. The quality of equality. Yes, the quality of equality we learn from symmetry. Maths is even used in a battery. Mathematical terms and theorems too teach us values and life skills too. Yeah, mathematical terms and theorems too teach us values and life skills too. Thank you.